Hi, and welcome to this short training video on updating an EPaCCS record in the GMCR. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to ensure patient records are up to date. EPaCCS, or the Electronic Palliative Care Coordination System, allows healthcare professionals to record and share key information about a patient's end-of-life care preferences. Keeping these records updated ensures that everyone involved in the patient's care has access to the most current information. Follow these steps to update an EPaCCS record in the GMCR. Open the patient's record and select the EPaCCS section from the patient's landing page. Click the Edit button to make changes. Use the purple navigation anchors to quickly jump to the section of the form you need to update. When updating or adding information, you may need to provide additional details. All mandatory fields are marked with a red asterisk. Please complete all required fields before moving on to the next section. You can use the purple anchor at the bottom of each section to quickly return to the top of the page. Make sure all mandatory fields marked with a red asterisk are completed before saving. To save your changes, click the Save button. An information box will appear confirming that your changes have been saved. And that's it. Updating an EPaCCS record in GMCR is simple but crucial for ensuring patients receive the right care at the right time. If you have any questions, please contact the GMCR Product Team. Thanks for watching.